Hey, I hope you've been enjoying the radical walking tours so far. Up next, we have the Olivos Adobe Historical Park. This kind of reminds me of the mission back home.
Yeah, the way the wall looks.
The Olivos Adobe Historic Site features a restored 2-story adobe home. The original owner, Don Raimundo Olivas, introduced his Rancho San Miguel home in 1847. This Monterey-style adobe home, historical landmark from the Rancho era, celebrates Ventura's Rancho and Latino heritage through docent-led weekend tours, educational outreach programs for school groups, and community events. Thank you for checking out the Radical Walking Tours. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like and comment if you know any fun facts about this place, because I heard it was haunted. Thank you.